Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to import the certificate manually to the connector using the Keytool GUI. Okay, so in this case I have already add the destination, which is the ESM here. Okay, so how will you do it and why you would have to import the certificate manually? So in some case, when the ESM having some problem or you change the ESM certificate, then from the connector side, the old certificate is no longer valid, and it will have to import the latest certificate of the ESM to the connector to be forwarded to the ESM. Okay, so uh, in some case you can like re-register the ESM destination, but to do that you will have to delete the connector on the ESM and then you re-register the destination. It will create a new connector in the ESM, but for some of that case, some like a name of the connector or uh, yeah, the name or the visible of the connector will be changed. That is why there's one more solution is to upload or generate the ESM certificate and then upload it manually to the connector via um, the Keytool UI. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. Okay, first I would need you to open the command prompt cmd to always to run it as administrator. Okay, now for this connector I have named it the test connector. Okay, you can go to the current and bin folder, copy this part, and then in this cmd change direction to that part you have just copied, and using this command ArcSight Keytool GUI. Oh, sorry, typo. Here, ArcSight Keytool GUI. Is this the command? Okay. After that, you will be able to open the Keytool GUI here. Okay, I will open the connector folder from here. See the current folder here. Test connector, test current. Go to GIE, live, security. You will see the CA cert folder. Open that folder. The password will be change it. Okay, I will write it here. Change it. Yeah, this will be the password when you want to go to the CA cert. Okay, change it. Okay, here you will see on the CA cert and the certificate. And to do this, to add the certificate manually, please go to Tool. Okay, import trust certificate. I have download the certificate is under the download folder. So in here, I will go to the download. Okay, this is the certificate I have download before the ESM certificate. I click on import it. Okay. Okay. The name alias, I will keep it like, you can name it like ESM or whatever you want. In this case, I will keep it the default name. Okay, trust certificate has import successful. Okay, that is how you will import the certificate onto the connector using the connector Keytool GUI. Hope you enjoy this video and hope you can import the certificate successfully. Thank you very much.